Hi everyone! Good day! In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make digital planners to sell on Etsy using Canva. First things first, open up Canva on your browser. So here, you can see that my account is automatically logged in. So, if you don't have any account on Canva yet, just simply create one or log in using your Gmail account. Now, to proceed, in the Canva menu, what you want to do is press Create a Design. Type A4 and an A4 document will appear. Just simply press that A4 document option and it will bring you to the customization page. Since it is a planner, what you want to do is to add any pages preferred by pressing the Add Page button on the bottom of your screen. Once you're done, we're gonna start with designing. Select your first page, which will serve as a hardcover. So, you can see in the right side of your screen some choices for customizations. And we are going to tackle it shortly. In Design, there you can select pre-made design, which can further customize. Next is Elements. These are where you can get stickers, photos, shapes, and other things that you will need for your planner. Then Uploads. In here, you can upload your own files like photos, videos, stickers, and etc. In Text, this is where you can add text to your planner. This comes with so much fonts to help you further customize your design, and even colors. On Draw, this is a drawing tool if you want to draw something on your design. And lastly, Projects. Here are where you can find all the projects that you've made in the past. And what we want to do now is start customizing. Once you are done and satisfied with your planner, what you want to do is press the share icon on the top right of your screen. In here, you can share your document, print it, or download it. If you want to download your file, press Download and select the type of file that you prepare for your document. And then, download your design. Once you have your design downloaded, open up Etsy and scroll down until you find Sell on Etsy. It will bring you to a new page, and what you want to do is press Get Started. The website will then ask you to log in. Once you have logged in the website will welcome you to its page. They will ask you several questions, but if you want to skip it, there is a skip option for you. Once you're done, press Start your shop. In here, you can now fully customize your shop the way you want it to and how you want it to go. To get more clients, stock your shop with the details of your product. Then, you can now proceed to select the preferred option of how you'll get paid. Then, you can set up billing. And take note, you have to make sure that you adjust your shop security. And that's it! You can now make digital planners to sell on Etsy using Canva. Thanks for watching and happy scrolling!